Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. The dog-themed meme coin remains range-bound, along with the wider crypto markets. For now, eyes are fixed on Shiba Inu's ability to defend the support at $0.000000830, a move likely to pave the way for a 50% northbound rally. In this video, we will talk about Shiba Inu Coin releases a massive new update, almost 2,564%. This is insanity. Shib News. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Binance, the largest exchange by daily traded volume, believes that despite the negative attention the crypto industry has been getting recently, there is hope for a bright future if stakeholders commit to building and protecting its reputation. For that reason, Changpeng Zhao CZ, Binance CEO, renewed hope for the industry by launching a recovery fund that could be tapped by crypto businesses affected by the FTX saga. According to CZ, the move will help reduce further cascading negative effects of FTX. The fund will focus on helping otherwise strong projects. Binance opened the fund to other strong companies with sufficient capital to join hands and boost struggling businesses in an already dilapidated market. Following the announcement, the market briefly flipped green, with Bitcoin jumping to $17,109 on Monday, although it has since retreated and is exchanging hands at $16,969 on Tuesday. The second largest crypto asset, Ethereum, rebounded to $1,284, bolstered by CZ's positive gesture. ETH now trades at $1,260. Shiba Inu's price appears to be nearing the tail end of the FTX-triggered sell-off from highs around $0.00001,512. The meme coin is consolidating around $0.000000918 after bouncing off the critical support at $0.000000830, tested for the first time since June 2022. The directional movement index reveals that bearish pressure remains despite the Shiba Inu price recoiling to $0.000000918. Notably, however, the stochastic oscillator is highly oversold at 16.76. As such, a short-term rebound is expected, which explains the move from support to SHIB's current market value at $0.000000918. Moreover, insight from on-chain data reveals that Shiba Inu is in the buy zone, with the push for investors to buy the dip likely to gain traction this week. The market value realized value profit-loss model by Sentiment holds at minus 12.15, significantly lower than the mean line at 1. The MVRV tracks the profit or loss ratio of SHIB holders by comparing the price at which the tokens they hold last moved with their current market value. Typically, investors don't close positions in losses. They prefer to wait until at least the break-even point. If the current momentum holds, the bulls may eventually boost the Shiba Inu price north, with profit-taking anticipated at $0.00001,000 TP-1, $0.00001,400 TP-2, and $0.00001,800 TP-3. Shiba Inu's network activity has remained at the roof despite the downtrend in its price. The number of daily active addresses transacting on the protocol rose to a monthly high of 14,363 on November 13th, up from 4,056 on November 2nd. Shiba Inu's price tends to trend higher as its network activity rises. Spikes in these on-chain metrics imply that speculation for a bullish move in price is high among market participants interested in SHIB. A report by Whale Stats, a platform tracking crypto whale activity, shows that large volume investors are extremely bullish on Shiba Inu. The top 5,000 whales own $75 million worth of SHIB tokens. Furthermore, SHIB was among the most active smart contracts among the top 1,000 ETH holders over the last 24 hours. This indicates that investor interest is growing despite the market crash. Investors are possibly taking advantage of a lower-priced SHIB to fill their bags ahead of an imminent $0.00001,000 and further before the end of the year. The collapse of FTX has had far-reaching effects on the crypto industry. Some say it has revealed regulatory gaps that must be ironed out for a bright, sustainable future. Recovery is anticipated not only for Shiba Inu but for the entire market. However, as Binance's CZ said on Monday, this could be a long crypto winter. By now, it's probably safe to say Shiba Inu won't repeat last year's spectacular performance this year. The popular meme token is heading for a 72% decline. Shiba Inu soared a mind-boggling 45 million% in 2021. That's as fans known as the Shib army rallied behind the crypto, and the fear of missing out pushed many investors to try Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu continues to intrigue investors. Nearly 20% of token reserves on ExchangeCrypto.com are Shiba Inu, the CoinDesk report shows. That's second only to the world's biggest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Shiba Inu fans know how to drum up excitement. They brought the crypto player into the forefront last year, even though it doesn't stand out from the thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu is a token that runs on Ethereum. It's mainly used for payments, but only at a limited number of merchants. You also can invest in Shiba Inu and stake your holdings to earn passive income. This lack of originality makes it difficult to imagine Shiba Inu as a leader in tomorrow's cryptocurrency world. There are some good news though. Shiba Inu is becoming a stronger player than it was a year ago. This crypto is developing its own metaverse, and it's already put up its first phase of land for sale, more than 32,000 plots. Eventually, Shiba Inu aims to sell more than 100,000 plots and fully build up this virtual presence. Shiba Inu is in the testing phase with its game Shiba Eternity. It runs in two versions, a standard mobile game and a game on the blockchain. At the same time, Shiba Inu is working on another project that could eliminate one of its biggest problems. That's the high cost and slow speed associated with operating on Ethereum. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, SHIBARIUM, should do away with those challenges. Work on this is ongoing. Earlier, developers aimed to launch public beta testing in the third quarter but missed that goal. Although higher market volatility has changed the investor sentiment, it didn't stop the global crypto-centric developments. For example, Dubai, which showed keen interest in cryptocurrency and Web3 technology, is again on the news cycle for being a rapidly growing crypto hub. In its latest developments, one of the UAE's high-rated luxury hotels has enrolled cryptocurrency payments and allows visitors to reserve hotel rooms by paying with Shiba Inu coins. The Dubai-located five-star restaurant W Dubai, The Palm, is owned by Marriott International and facilitates visitors with around 350 guest rooms. Notably, the hotel has a partial beach so the visitors can enjoy the beautiful views of the city skyline and Arabian Gulf located ahead. Currently ranked in the 14th spot, Shiba Inu launched in 2020 and gained enough popularity by profiting investors with massive gains in this period. Crypto-friendly traveler site Travala, used to book rooms and other traveling products, announced featuring ship payments at the Palm Hotel via a tweet. The announcement also attached a video covering stunning views from the hotel. Travala, which enrolled ship payments in December 2021, allows users to buy 3 million traveling products from its website. W Dubai, The Palm, does not appear as the first in the emirate to facilitate crypto payments. Palazzo Versace Dubai Hotel and Resort previously enabled crypto payments in partnership with giant crypto exchange Binance. The platform allows booking hotel services using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin BNB. Since UAE has become an emerging platform for blockchain developments, the latest news seems unusual, as a large number of companies, stores, and businesses are already receiving cryptocurrencies in payments. Hence, every small and large business there looks for its presence in crypto. Moreover, prominent crypto companies have jumped to the emirate to represent themselves in the Gulf country's technology hub. Likes of Binance, FTX, and Crypto.com have already opened their offices in UAE. Crypto-friendly regulations have attracted many other companies from around the globe to establish headquarters in the regime, which also accelerated mainstream crypto adoption. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.